Welcome back, everybody. Today we're making 20-minute sticky gochujang chicken. First, I started off by making 2 cups of white rice. Then we're going to get started on making our chicken. You're going to start with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to take all of your chicken, about 1 pound of boneless chicken thighs, and you're going to dry them and put them in the cornstarch. Then we're going to get started on cutting our chicken into bite-sized pieces. Then we're going to get started on our gochujang glaze. You're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of gochujang paste. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Also 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. And 2 tablespoons of water. After that, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. 1 teaspoon minced garlic. And 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. After that, you're just going to mix it up and set it aside. Then in a pan, you're going to heat vegetable oil over medium-high heat and add the chicken pieces in a single layer and cook undisturbed for 3 to 4 minutes to develop caramelized edges. While that cooked, I started cutting up broccoli. After you flip your chicken, you wait another 3 minutes and add the gochujang sauce. Then I steamed all my broccoli and served it with sesame seeds. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.